Hi guys, today I'm doing a step-by-step wheel cleaning video. Right, today I'm going to show you guys how I get my results and how I get my wheels looking fabulous every single time. Right, we can go through the different brushes I use as well as different equipment and products, and yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, I start off here with a pressure sprayer. Right, this is something that's very cheap. I bought it at ShopRite, paid about 90 Rand to 100 Rand for it. It's not the best of quality, but however, it does get the job done. If you want to know what I'm using inside of the bottle, right, it's a mixture of car shampoo as well as degreaser. As you can see, I'm going in again with just degreaser. What this does is it helps break down the stubborn dirt and grime off of the wheels. So when you go in with agitation with your brushes, it's going to make it very easy to clean. Obviously, give it some time to sit on the wheel. As you can see how I've left it here just for about a minute or so to allow that product to really work its way into all of the grooves and into all of the stubborn dirt that is on the wheel. As you guys can see, next I'm using a hard bristle brush on tires. The reason why I'm doing this is because the hard bristles helps really break down the dirt that is stuck in between all of the grooves of the tire. Also, don't be shy to use extra product on the wheels, guys. Remember, when you're cleaning the tires, you're trying to strip as much of the silicone that's previously been put onto the tire. Me personally, I don't like using silicone. You'll see that at the end of the video. But yeah, always use more product because it's gonna help with the end result. Next, I'm going in with a wheel brush. Now guys, the wheel brush is used to get into the drum of the wheel, right? This is the inner side of the wheel. You want to hit this spot because if you do not, then for example, a customer looks at the vehicle at the end and they see that it's still dirty over there, it will make your work look incomplete. So make sure you're always hitting it. Now this is a bit of a different approach, but over here I use a microfiber cloth to clean the wheels. The reason why I use a microfiber cloth is because it helps you get into the little grooves, you know, with these more complex wheels and rims. It helps you get into those smaller gaps and grooves which are maybe a bit harder to reach with a brush. So I like using the microfiber cloth for cleaning the rims. And yeah, it gives me good results and help me get into all of the hard to reach places. Finally, we're getting to the tool that you guys all love so much. It's the detailing brush. I use the detailing brush to clean in between the lug nuts, you know, places I can't really reach with my hands. With a microfiber cloth, of course, I try to clean imaginary lug nuts there because it's a cover over. But yeah, I did also recognize that there is these little circles which have grooves in them where dirt is sitting. So I went ahead and used the detailing brush in order to clean in between those spots. Also, don't forget to hit the brake drum. Obviously, this is a bucket, not a car. It has brake drums at the back. Whether it's the brake drums or the brake discs, make sure that you're hitting that. That's also another factor which defines your work and your work ethic by getting into these hard to reach areas. Yes guys, now we get into the controversial toilet brush. Yes, this is a toilet brush. No, I have not used it to clean any toilets, but this is a very useful tool, a very useful tool to help with getting into the arches of the wheel. As you can see, I spray some product onto the brush, then I go ahead and agitate all of the plastic surfaces in between the body and the wheels of the vehicle. This helps me get into all of the little grooves. As you can see, because of the thin handle, I'm able to push the brush in because of the length of it as well, quite deep into the back of the arches. And that's just going to help also with the end, once again, the end result of the detailing process. Guys, please comment if you would like to see more of these types of tutorial videos. I do plan to make quite a bit of them, but not as consistently as anyone else. But when I do get time, I try my best to make videos of the vehicles that I work on. As I said in the beginning of the video, guys, I don't like using silicone. I rather use this product over here. It's called Black Pack. It's a product you use on all of the black surfaces on the vehicle. Obviously not black paint, but like as you can see, I'm using it on the wheels. I use it on the mud flaps, on the plastic bumpers. It really helps. It really helps bring the life and color back to the vehicle and to the parts without, you know, making it over shiny and over exciting. So this is a really good product. I definitely suggest you guys try it out. No, this video is not sponsored. YN is not sponsoring me, or even if they can, I would appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys want to see a full detailing video of me doing a full vehicle, please let me know down below. And here's the results of the vehicle of today.